Hello friends, my name is Rodiyah, and well, today we are going to be learning Scratch. Scratch. Learning Scratch. So now, well, I didn't really tell you what we're going to learn, what we're going to do, but whatever. So now we're going to learn how to do how to create smooth movement in Scratch. It is very smooth. Firstly, the web flag clicked forever. Now I realize that I should have took my mouse, but whatever. Now we're going to add smooth move to, and then we add an input X. X, and then add an input which is going to be X, and Y, and an input that's going to be Y. Then smooth to X, whatever X you want, but right now we're going to be using mouse X. I don't know if this thing is supposed to be run without screen refresh, but whatever. We will see later. Now I regret not taking my mouse. Okay, so, well. As I was saying, well, I have a block in my backpack, I think. This block, you're going to want to add this. Now, well, this is working for Y, but for some reason it's not working for X. Oh yes, I think it's because I forgot this minus 10. Okay, so now I'm just going to say for some reason this X position is not working. So yes, I'm going to fix it. So now it's fixed, but as you can see, there's too much space here. I did that, well, intentionally. Because of this minus 10, that's why this is happening. Remove it, and now it is smoothly moving. You can even set it to like X0 and Y0, and those moves move to there. X0, Y0. So X, I know, let's make it to smooth move to the corner. X negative 223. Oh yes, if you haven't copied this code, copy it now. Also remove this minus. Here's remote. Now, well, here is the full code. Just continue doing this. Okay, so I've given you enough time to just copy this simple piece of code. So yes, I was having a little bit of trouble making this script. It's supposed to be a script so that it could go to the center here and go to the edge here, but it turns out you have to use a repeater till. Well, if you want, you can just do whatever I'm doing. Position is equal to 0. Please. Minus 2 to 3 equal to x. Okay, so what's up is a little bit too long, so I say just 0.1 because of how much of an impatient person I am. Okay, so that's the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye. Now, actually, bye.